In an age where striker-fired handguns with red dots and modular polymer frames dominate the market, the classic revolver hasn't lost its place. It still commands respect among serious shooters. For many American gun owners, a revolver isn't just a backup piece. It's a dependable sidearm rooted in tradition and built to last. Tough, straightforward, and steeped in history, these wheelguns continue to earn their keep at the range and in concealed carry setups. So, which models are leading the pack in terms of popularity? Let's take a closer look at some of the best-selling revolvers across the U.S. and why they keep finding their way into holsters and range bags coast to coast. Coming in at number 8, Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 38 Special Plus P. Purpose-built for low-profile, everyday carry, the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard chambered in 38 Special Plus P is all about minimalist defense. This compact, double-action-only revolver features an enclosed hammer, making it ideal for snag-free draws from pockets or inside the waistband holsters. The top portion of the frame is stainless steel for strength where it counts, while the lower is polymer to keep the weight down. Rugged yet sleek, the PVD-coated cylinder adds corrosion resistance and a modern finish. With a 5-shot capacity of proven 38 Special Plus P rounds, it delivers serious punch in a frame that rides light and carries easy. An ambidextrous cylinder release and pinned front sight offer practicality without overcomplication. For concealed carriers who prioritize reliable performance in a streamlined package, the Bodyguard 38 checks every box. Next is number 7, Ruger Wrangler 22 Long Rifle. If you're after that Old West vibe without the hefty price tag, the Ruger Wrangler chambered in 22 Long Rifle brings serious value and a ton of fun. This single-action revolver echoes the classic cowboy 6-gun feel while boasting modern features for safety and performance. Its lightweight aluminum alloy frame makes it nimble and quick on target, and the cold hammer-forged barrel offers a level of precision that punches well above its weight class. Ideal for plinking, target practice, or teaching new shooters, the Wrangler includes Ruger's transfer bar safety system and loading gate interlock, bringing 21st century protection to a 19th century design. The grips are checkered synthetic or wood depending on the model, and the sights stick with tradition. A fixed front blade and integral rear notch. With various Cerakote finishes to choose from, this 6-shooter lets you keep that frontier look with a personalized twist. For those wanting to step into single-action revolver territory, the Wrangler is hard to beat for the price. Topping off at number 6, Ruger Vaquero 357 Magnum/45 Colt. When it comes to capturing Wild West styling with modern-day muscle, the Ruger Vaquero hits the mark. Built on a sturdy all-steel frame and chambered in classic calibers like 357 Magnum and 45 Colt, the Vaquero is a standout among cowboy action shooters and collectors alike. While it channels the aesthetics of vintage frontier revolvers, it's engineered to handle today's higher-pressure loads with ease. The revolver features fixed sights, a front blade, and a frame-milled rear notch for durability and period-correct styling. Inside, you'll find Ruger's trusted transfer bar safety system, allowing for safe carry with all 6 chambers loaded. A reverse indexing pawl streamlines cylinder alignment for smoother loading and unloading, a welcome upgrade during long-range sessions. Whether you're heading to a cowboy match or just love the feel of a traditional 6-gun with modern reliability, the Vaquero is as authentic as it is capable. Coming in at number 5, Taurus Raging Hunter Magnum Power with a softer punch. When you need a revolver that hits hard without beating you up in return, the Taurus Raging Hunter rises to the occasion. Designed with handgun hunters in mind, this beast of a wheelgun is chambered in heavy-duty calibers like 44 Magnum and 454 Casull, making it ideal for taking down tough game with confidence. One of its biggest selling points is the factory-ported barrel, which vents gas upward to counter recoil and minimize muzzle flip. That means faster, more controllable follow-up shots when you're deep in the brush or tracking big game. Taurus didn't just focus on performance. The Raging Hunter features ergonomic rubber grips that tame recoil while offering a secure hold, even when your hands are cold or gloved. Offered in sleek matte black or bold two-tone finishes, this revolver combines rugged functionality with serious curb appeal. While the open sights offer a solid hunting setup right out of the box, the built-in Picatinny rail gives you room to add a red dot or magnified optic to suit your environment. Built for power, tuned for control, The Raging Hunter is purpose-built for revolver hunters who mean business. Up next at number 4, Colt Python, a modern revival of a legend. The return of the Colt Python isn't just a trip down memory lane. It's a modern tribute to one of the most iconic double-action revolvers in American history. Celebrated for decades as the gold standard in fit, finish, and trigger feel, the Python's rebirth has been met with open arms, and rightly so. Chambered in .357 Magnum, the new Python retains the exquisite double-action pull that enthusiasts describe as glass smooth, paired with the unmistakable Colt styling. Updates to the design include a beefed-up frame for added durability during extended range sessions with full-power loads. It sports a high-polished stainless steel finish that turns heads while also standing up to field use. The classic walnut grips feature Colt's signature gold medallion, and the adjustable rear sight pairs with a target-style front blade for precise shot placement from close quarters out to longer distances. Whether you're collecting, carrying, or just shooting for pleasure, the reborn Python isn't just another revolver. It's a fully functional work of art that lives up to its legendary name. Now at number 3, Heritage Rough Rider, affordable Western fun. The Heritage Rough Rider is proof that you don't need to spend big bucks to enjoy the charm of single-action shooting. Chambered in .22 long rifle, this affordable six-shooter captures the spirit of the Old West while remaining one of the most budget-friendly revolvers on the market. It's a favorite among new shooters, backyard plinkers, and anyone looking to put rounds downrange without burning through their wallet. The blued carbon steel barrel adds durability and old-school looks, while the aluminum alloy frame keeps it light and easy to handle. Unique among revolvers at this price point, the Rough Rider includes a manual hammer block safety, giving peace of mind without sacrificing authenticity. Fixed sights keep things straightforward, and the grip panels, often made from attractive Coco Bolo hardwood, deliver a touch of Western flair. Whether you're teaching the basics to a new shooter, ringing steel, or just enjoying some classic revolver time, the Heritage Rough Rider brings reliable fun without the financial sting. Coming in at number 2, Taurus Judge, a jack-of-all-trades in revolver form. Few revolvers have redefined versatility like the Taurus Judge. This hybrid sidearm is chambered to fire both .45 Colt cartridges and 410-bore shotgun shells, making it a go-to option for folks who want maximum flexibility in one rugged package. Designed around a heavy-duty steel frame and a 5-shot cylinder, the Judge is engineered to eat up mixed loads without skipping a beat. One standout feature is the extended ejector rod, which helps clear spent cases, whether you're sending down buckshot or cowboy loads, without hang-ups. The soft rubber grips soak up recoil surprisingly well, even when launching those hotter 410 shells, and the fiber-optic front sight gives you a fast, visible aiming point for defensive use. Whether you're running it single action for accuracy or double action for speed, the Judge handles both with ease. Taurus also equips this revolver with an internal security lock for peace of mind when storing it. With its unmatched ability to switch between shot shells and standard cartridges, the Taurus Judge breaks convention and proves that a wheelgun can do more than just one job, making it a top contender for home defense, truck carry, or trail protection. Topping the list at number 1, Colt Single Action Army, the legend that started it all. At the pinnacle of iconic American handguns stands the Colt Single Action Army, nicknamed the Peacemaker, and it remains the blueprint for all single-action revolvers that followed. First introduced in the 1870s and forever linked to the frontier era, this six-shooter is the definition of timeless design. Built from solid forged steel and finished with a mirror-like polish, the Single Action Army feels every bit as authentic in the hand as it looks. Whether you're holding the full-size 7.5-inch cavalry model or the classic 4.75-inch barrel version, the balance and handling are nothing short of legendary. Offered in traditional calibers like .45 Colt and .38 Special, this revolver delivers that old-world shooting experience with modern-day precision. Features like the half-cock notch, loading gate, and authentic single-action operation all stay true to the original blueprint, while the removable cylinder bushing helps keep things running smooth over time. With checkered black grips and Colt's signature eagle emblem, every detail is steeped in heritage. The Peacemaker isn't just a firearm. It's a living relic that continues to capture the imagination of collectors, cowboy shooters, and anyone who appreciates the roots of American gun culture. These 8 revolvers each highlight a different reason why the classic wheelgun continues to thrive in today's shooting world, from innovative multi-caliber designs and budget-friendly range guns to heavy-hitting hunting revolvers and living pieces of firearm history. While polymer-framed semi-automatics dominate the headlines with high capacity and modularity, revolvers continue to earn their place with bulletproof reliability, mechanical simplicity, and undeniable charm. Whether you're carrying for defense, hunting big game, punching paper at the range, or collecting historical masterpieces, the revolver remains deeply embedded in the DNA of American gun ownership. Its role may have evolved, but its appeal hasn't faded, and for many shooters, that satisfying click of a revolver's action still says it all.